Hi everyone, my name is Riza Fareen. In this video, let's take a look at how to create and manage groups in Conductor. In order to create groups in Conductor, you need to have the administrative privilege to your Orkes Conductor instance. So once you're an admin, you will be able to view these two options on your left menu. So to create a group, let's click on Groups and then click Create Group button. And then you need to provide the group ID. Let's call it DevRel and a description for the group. So once the groups are created, you need to assign a role to the group. That is, if you assign a role to a group, it ensures that all the members within the group will have this particular role. So you can choose between these 5 different roles, of which the admin will have the complete access to your Orkes Conductor instance, and the rest of the roles will have only limited access. Next step is adding members to the group. So click Add User and let's add the previously created user to the group. So if the users are yet to be added to your Orkes Conductor instance, you cannot add them to the group directly. You need to navigate to the users option, add the users first, and then only you can add them to the required group. And the final section is the workflows and task permissions, from where you can provide explicit permissions to the required workflows, tasks, secrets, or tags in Conductor. So here's how you can do this. Click on Add Permissions and you can choose between the target type. So if it's a workflow, you can choose workflow. Choose a required target and then provide the required permissions, then add permissions. You are done. So this ensures that the members of the group can have execute permission over this particular workflow alone. So you can either provide a role to the group or you can provide explicit permissions. It all depends upon your use case. However, it's better to provide explicit permissions because rather than the group, because the role can have complete access. For example, if it's a workflow manager, then the users will have the complete access to run all the workflows in your Orkes Conductor instance. And if your use case requires the users to run only a particular workflow, then it is better to provide the explicit permission. So yeah, that's about the group management. Thank you.